All right, what's going on, traders? Today is Tuesday, March 31st. We are down $3,800 today. And before you're like, wait a minute, you've just given up all your profits over the past 2 weeks. Two of these accounts are evals, so I'm LARPing evals in the mix here, okay? And obviously I'm risking more on those. So this was a normal sized -1R loss. Took 3 trades today. 2 of them were break even. 1 of them was losing. And man, I absolutely screwed myself with my stop loss to break even today. It is what it is. Let's jump into the chart. Okay, so jumping into the markets today, I had more of a bearish bias. Okay, now I know we still had that Trump candle, like this data high above. But honestly, I like the PO3 here at market open, using the time-based range. So we had clear accumulation, manipulation, and then we got that V-shape inverse right here. I like the displacement behind it. We had so many draws and liquidity lower, like all of this trendline liquidity. And we also had like perfect equal lows all the way down here. So this was like a valid loss for me. Like I would take this trade every single time. I know some people were bullish because of the data high, which is fair. But again, I had a bearish bias. I like the sweep liquidity. I like the V-shape inverse. This follows my rules, and on a long enough time frame, you will have an edge. Trading reversals like this, okay? So this was like, 1 to 2 RR, pretty good trade here, like an A+ reversal trade in my opinion. Just got stopped out. So this was the first losing trade that we took on stream in quite some time, which is a little bit unfortunate. And then I stayed on because I still had short ideas, okay, from this data high, which was also a daily bearish fair value gap. So I was looking for shorts off of this daily bearish fair value gap. The first one was a break-even short right here. We saw these bullish inverses, took this short position right here. Instant break-even, okay? Instant break-even on this one. Move stops to break-even after the internal low is hit. So boom, there's your break-even. Done for that trade, okay? Stayed on because I still had draws and liquidity lower. I still had this untapped 15-minute, and I still had a bearish bias for the day. So I said, okay, if we get a move up, once again, taking out this high with an SMT, which we got, I am going to look for a short. And we got exactly that. Okay, we took out the high, SMT, here was your bullish fair value gap. Enter the trade right here on the 1-minute inverse. Told you guys I was targeting all these lows down here. I said, I'm not looking to take partials on this. I'm going for a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, which would have got max payouts. This was the max payout trade. Did I get max payouts? No, because I didn't follow my rules. I did not move my stop loss to break even at the most internal low. Okay. Instead, I got scared and I moved my stop loss to break even, like right here when ES took this internal low. So like, okay, ES took this internal low, so I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Boom, instant break even. My trade idea was not invalid. I don't know why I did this. And it cost me max payouts today. It cost me this entire move. And yeah, this ran all the way down to these lows that I was expecting, obviously failing this 15-minute bullish gap. So this was just me not following my rules, simple as that. Indicator called it as well. I don't know why I faded that signal. I should have just let this play out. And for whatever reason, I just didn't do that. I just didn't let my thesis play out. I got scared. I did not move my stop loss to break even at the most internal low, which is my a rule that I follow, which I just didn't do for whatever reason. So kind of an L day, not because I took that losing trade, because I really don't care about that. That followed all my rules. That plays out more often than not. But just because this trade, I just knew where price was going and I just micromanaged it because I'm trading live in front of people, which sucks. So pretty big L on the day. I went full size in this, so -1R. I'm also increasing my risk across all of my funded accounts. So I've doubled the risk on my actual funded accounts, plus I'm trading with 2 new evals. So that's why the P&L is more than usual in the red. It looks like I'm down a shit ton, but I'm kind of LARPing there with the 2 evals. So I'm not down that much. I'm down 1R on the day. But yeah, very disappointing with how I played this. Knew where price was going. I just moved my stop loss to break even way too early. Now, on the flip side of that, you could say okay, well, you also moved your stop loss early on this trade and it saved you this loss. The difference is that I actually followed my rules and I moved my stop loss to break even on the most internal structure low. I did not do that on the short position. I didn't move my stop loss to break even at the most internal structure low, which would have been right here. And I was not planning on taking partials this trade. I told you guys in the group, I was not planning on taking partials on this trade. I was holding until these lows down here, which it hit for like a five RR pretty much, which is like insane. So cooked myself today, not gonna lie, but you know, taking the first L in a few weeks, ending the month kind of on a bad note just because I didn't follow my fucking rules, which happens. But we're starting the month, new month tomorrow, and we're coming with max payouts. I'm looking for 2 max payouts next month, maybe 3. Who knows? Like we'll see. But like my trading is dialed. I know where price is going. It's just the issue that I'm having is like micromanaging. Like this trade I played out perfectly. I mean, obviously, like there's nothing for me to manage because it hit my stop loss. But I had my break-even level in advance. This just didn't play out. Whatever. That's fine. But like on winning trades like this, it's like, dude, you can't micromanage. It's just hard because I'm trading in front of 70 people. And I don't want people to lose money. But that's obviously it. In the long run, it actually does lose them money because you're not letting your thesis play out. So it is what it is. That's a trade recap for today. I will see you guys tomorrow.